Hey parents, it's Mr. Kram. This is for fourth grade parents. It's the day before Halloween, and next week your kids are going to come into school and learn something called the area model for multiplication. Luckily, it is the easiest thing ever. I thought I could use this week just to explain it and show you and have them do a quick activity at home, just so when they come in the coming week, they're sort of ahead of the game. Two-digit times two-digit number. All I need to do is draw a rectangle. As with area, this is going to be side times side. So we're going to take these numbers and put them on the side, but we're going to do it in expanded form, which just means pulling the numbers apart. They have to write down what they say when they say the number. 25, 25, 25, 25. That's expanded form. Tens, the ones. And we're going to give each of these their own column. Down the side, 37. 37. Give them their own row, the tens and the ones. Now, if they've come this far, that's great. This times this, this times this, this times this, this times this. 30 times 20. 3 times 2 is 6 with the 2 zeros, 600. 3 times 5 is 15 with 1 0. 7 times 20 is 14 with the 0. 35. Now, most kids can get this part really pretty easily after a while. It's when I have to add up all the stuff in the middle that a lot of kids can make some easy mistakes. I encourage them to spread it out. For some reason, fourth graders, fifth graders, they tend to write very small, very compact with math, which is fine, but it does lead to some mistakes. I really want them to spread it out if possible. Real quick here, 600, 150, 140, and 35. We're just going to add those all together. 5, let's see, 7, 12, 6, 7, 8, 9. 925. This is the area model for multiplication. There is a video that exists that I just made for 5th grade doing the same thing. The numbers are slightly longer, but this never actually gets harder. It's just, we'll have one more row for the hundreds place. Some more numbers to add up on the side. Area model, expanded form, side times side, add up what's in the middle. So the activity for this week, just to give them a little real world experience, which helps them sort of be able to tackle a paper experience, take that knowledge and translate it. It's helpful. I want them to measure something that's rectangular with their feet. So pace off an area rug, pace off a rectangular room, bathroom, bedroom, whatever. I want them to come up with a 2-digit by 2-digit number and figure out the area for that space or that rug, whatever. If they come up with something like, I don't know, 17 times 29, I want them on a piece of paper just to draw out the rectangle. I want them to expand the numbers. When I say 17 out loud, the numbers are in the teens. You don't hear that nice delineation between the tens and the ones, but looking at the number, I do see one group of 10, and I do see 7 ones. I just have to separate them. 29. All they're going to do, multiply, fill up these squares, and go ahead and add up what they've got. And if you could do it, just to double check, maybe compare your answers, that'd be awesome. So I'm talking kind of fast, maybe a lot, but area model for multiplication. Wednesday challenge, just have them measure something in the house, translate that into this, and see if they can figure out the area for what they've measured. If you have any questions at all about this, if I didn't make any sense, let me know. This is me up here. And if you want an expansion or an extension activity, I can also make that pretty easily, so just let me know. And thank you guys for spending time working on this with your kids. It will help them a lot moving into next week, sort of having an experience with this. So thanks. Have a great Wednesday.